Okay, come on, buddy. So I went ahead and as usual, like I told you, made my shake and I made my egg. And I literally have this every morning because I'm not a breakfast eater. I don't eat breakfast. I could skip breakfast. If somebody made me breakfast, I'll eat the breakfast. If I went to a restaurant, like if I could afford to go to a restaurant every day, I'd eat my breakfast every morning. But I just don't, because it's like I don't want to have to like make breakfast. Like I don't like. Used to, I'd get up in the morning like before work and I'd be like, I don't know what to cook, so I'm just gonna grab like a protein bar, and then I'd end up like not eating it. So now I like set like a routine, like a breakfast routine for myself. So every morning I have to have a protein shake because that keeps me like full for like a long time. And then with that I have an egg. Like I have to have it with both, because like if I don't have the egg with the protein shake and I don't have the egg with the protein shake, I'm gonna be hungry. It's like this combination right here just like fills me up. If you're not a breakfast eater because you just don't like eating breakfast in the morning, that's cool. But if you're like not a breakfast eater because you just like don't like quickly thinking what you want for breakfast, then just like set like a everyday like basic breakfast routine. You can like switch it every like month or week. Yeah, so you like just know what you're gonna have for breakfast. Yeah. So now I'm going to quickly eat this breakfast, and I'm gonna sit down. I can't carry both the camera, so I'll just show you and then I'll eat breakfast. So I don't like using my phone to watch TV because I'm gonna be tempted to go on social media. I don't like going on social media the first thing in the morning. So I do sometimes though. I do admit I go on social media. For at night though, or the afternoon. So yeah, so I sit here and I watch Ion. If you don't know what Ion is, Ion's what has all the CSI, Law and Order, Chicago PD, all the criminal shows on there. So I like watching those shows. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and watch Chicago PD because that's what's on right now. And yeah. I'm gonna leave the TV on for the puppy. She thinks she's gonna go on a walk, but sorry, I know. I'm not gonna walk her until after I come back. I'm gonna give her a haircut, and then she's gonna walk. So she's gonna show off her new haircut. Coco, you're gonna get a haircut. Do you know that you're gonna get a haircut? Now I am going to go exercise, and one thing I didn't know before, but somebody I watched said that they always jog with one ear open for like safety, and I didn't know that. I used to jog with both headphones just because, like I said, where I was before, it felt really safe, you know. It was safe, like there was literally never anything, we never had anything, like it's a really safe like town and everything, but because I don't know this town, I feel more safe like exposing my ear. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's been a while since I jogged, so I'm probably gonna mostly walk the way if I want to be honest, and then maybe like jog a little bit back. But yeah, it'll be really quick. Yeah, I'll be back, and then the exciting part of the vlog where we give you a haircut. There we go. Coco. Her fur looks so cute. Even the vet said like you shouldn't cut her hair because she looks so cute, but she is like panting a lot, so she is hot. So she's gonna have a nice cool summer haircut. All right, I'll be right back. So so remember how I said like I was probably not gonna even jog? I didn't jog, I sprinted because I prefer to sprint rather than jog. So what I did was I walked 2 times around the block, right? And then the second time I just felt like sprinting. So I did a really bad thing. I put both of my headphones on, like instead of one side being open, I put both of them on, just because like I need, when I'm sprinting or when I'm jogging, I need like both of them on. I know, like, so that's why I also decided to sprint. So I was like, okay, I'll get like a really quick sprint. Excuse me. I'll get like a really quick sprint in with my headphones, giving me like all I feel and everything I need to feel and to get me pumped up while I'm sprinting. And then when I'm like trying to catch my breath, I will take my headphones off immediately. So I did that. So I walked around twice, like I said, a couple of blocks, and then I think I did it. I did it twice. Then I went around 2 more times, a couple of walks, and sprinted, walk, sprinted, walk, sprinted, walk. And it was really good. And I sweated and I felt everything. I didn't stretch before, but like as soon as I like got inside that door, I like immediately just like stretched, did some yoga and everything, and I felt so good. Like I said, if I don't sweat, I feel like I didn't get a good workout. So I felt like I needed to sprint in order to sweat, in order to get a good workout, which I did. And I immediately went to the shower, because when I'm saying I was sweating and I was like hot. So I took a shower, and then I got ready and blow dried my hair. And it always takes me 20 minutes just to blow dry my hair, just to like, not even to like style it. Blow dry takes me 20 minutes. It takes me, if I wanted to style my hair, that would take me more time, but like just to like get my hair dry and blow dry it, it takes me 20 minutes. So I know I said I was gonna do something else before I shaved Dakota, but I'm gonna wait until after, because I did make her think that she was going on a walk when I went out. So we're gonna get her shaved real quick, and then we're gonna take her on a walk. So yeah, we're gonna shave the dog, and I am wearing all black. Yes, it's the only color leggings that I have, so I decided to go with black. I'm wearing long sleeve everything, because that dog, when you cut her just goes everywhere. It goes in your mouth, it goes in your hair, it goes on your skin, it goes, and it stays there. Like, you think you wash it all off, and then like a week or 2 weeks later, you like find hair somewhere else, and you're like, how the heck did it even get there? And also, oh my god, so I've learned my lesson through the years. Cover all the way up, and I'm gonna wear like a headscarf and covering my mouth because I don't have a mask. Yeah, so for those groomers who don't like cover their hair up and everything and get like all hair, I am like, how and why? Okay, so she looks choppier than normal when I cut her. I don't know why. She just looks so choppy for some reason. Ooh, look at all that hair. Okay. Normally when I cut her, I always cut her the same thing in order. Wow, there's a lot of hair here. She normally doesn't look this choppy. So I don't know why she looks like a carpet that's been stepped on for a long time. I feel like I have hair in my mouth. Oh wow. I just like chalked her. Oh wow. I'm sorry. Well, as long as there's her butt. It was in her butt place. So you can't really actually see it until she like stands up. But I like chalked it like way off. I was trying to match. So she went to the vet and they had like shaved her in the back over there. So I was like trying to match it with it and I ended up like not matching it. I'm gonna stick with the scissors. I know she doesn't like the scissors, but I'm gonna stick with the scissors. And I know I don't see a lot of people who use like a comb with dogs, like who do it at home. I know they don't do it with like a comb and then brush it because she moves so much. It's like a layer, so in case she does move, so that's why I do it sometimes. Are you coming in for a mani-pedi? Just a mani. Oh no, pedi and a mani? Gotcha. Okay. Well, it's going to be $60 for just the mani. And the pedi is going to be another $50. That's right, I said another $50. Taking a break because she had a struggle at her hand. She refused to let me cut the top of her head anymore. I got a good trim. I was trying to trim some more and she just kind of fought with me at that point. I was like, okay, you can leave it. Look at all that. Do you see all that? That's just on my shirt. You haven't even seen it. Oh my goodness. Look at my leg. Look at my legs. So that is why I always wear long sleeve and I cover up because I don't want that. And you'll see like in the mid break where I probably had like, I started panicking because I thought I had fur in my mouth, which makes me gag. So sorry about that. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. Ooh, oh my god, I have hair on my scarf too. See, I specifically said it gets everywhere. But that's all I have for today. That's all we have for today. I'm gonna take another shower again, and once I take a shower, I'm gonna go learn some Spanish. I'm on lesson 3 or 4 today, so yeah. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, give it a ring-a-ding-ding on that notification bell if you wanna know when my videos come in. You don't hit it if you don't want to know, because I know sometimes it like pops up and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta hit that bell off. And I will see you guys next time.